Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the exciting world of making money online. Imagine transforming your finances and achieving financial freedom. How would you feel achieving financial freedom? All while leveraging the power of internet. Let's get started. First thing first, identify your niche. That's the first thing you need to do. Identify your niche. After you identify your niche, then create valuable content that solves the problems. Create the solutions that meet the needs of the people. This is the foundation of the online business. After you created a solution, working program, then you need promotion. Promote your content on social media platforms so that you can engage with your audience. With this will help you build a loyal following, then drive conversion that you want. Now let's talk about email marketing. Many thought that email marketing is dead. No. The powerful tool can help you build a loyal following and drive conversions. That's the email marketing. Finally, invest in online courses and training programs. This will help you to upscale and get relevant and stay ahead of the games. This will help you grow your online business and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow for more.